a boyfriend.
Mhm.
And then Shandesha is the provider, but she's friend.
She's a girlfriend.
So Shandesha didn't want to buy Mimi. Whilst Mimi is clothes that she was there at her place. So that she can use them to go to the combo mix.
Mm-hmm.
Then buy the combo. Now Shandesha so that it's not. Imagine that girl I think she's 21 years. Mm-hmm.
Didn't she know? Okay, Mimi when she came to her, relationship it's almost over. It's almost done. But now, every time Shandesh magafona and Mimi leaves everything she's doing, ahamba ya kuShandeshi. Loko was it not an evidence enough kumtshela ukuthi wena you are being made you are made a fool here wena awuboni ukuthi labantu basathandana na, because there is no way if a relationship yenu isiphelile wena mawufona mina ngiyagcuma same time without asking questions ngiyangishaya